and welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today, I will be unboxing Louis Vuitton Mini Noe. I am so excited to have this Noe. Actually, I really love the look of the Noe, but seeing the sizes, I don't see it fits on my lifestyle and on my body frame. The Petite Noe is big. It's still big, though it's called Petite. For me, it's still big. The next smaller size, the BB, is still, for me, is big for my needs. And the Nano Noe, it's too small. It's just too small, and I have several small purses. I'm glad to find out about the Mini Noe existed through YouTube, and I think it's the best size for me. I know that I can fit a lot, and it's not too big when worn. And I really like the style of the Mini Noe because it has this top handle, and you can attach long strap on the side so you can wear it as a crossbody. So the search began, and I'm thankful and lucky enough to find this piece from Japan. From the post, I see that it's in very good condition. As you see, it has this very light patina, and I can't wait to open her up. Here she is. See how beautiful she is. Now she's out, and see how beautiful she is. The canvas is so bright. The patina is very light. I feel so lucky to have found this. It does have even patina. The handle is clean. The inside is also clean, as you see. Here's a look on the leather. As you see, it has very even and light patina. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I can't complain, really. I think this is one of the good buys for me, though it's not too cheap, but I know the value of this is great. So yeah, have a look on the bottom. It's a little dry over there, and I see some cracks on the side, but it's still good for me. I see some creases there. This is due to the shipping. I don't know why they ship like that. They fold the bottom, so I don't know if it will go back, but usually when I store my bags, I stuff them, so I hope that it will be less visible soon. And see, the canvas is very bright. It's beautiful. Overall, it's a beautiful bag. I just need to do some conditioning on this because I see some parts of the leather are a bit dry. But overall, I am so happy to add this Noe to my collection. The history of the Noe, it's date back 1932. If you may know the history of it, there was a champagne producer that requested Gaston Louis Vuitton to create a stylish bag that can transport up to 5 bottles of champagne. And this is the style that they got, that until now they are still making. Imagine this iconic look, the drawstring closure, It's all with Louis Vuitton's history, and I'm very, very proud to have it on my collection in the perfect size that I know it will not be sitting on the shelf because the size is very, very perfect for me. So that's it for this unboxing video. Thank you for joining me today, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some luxe. Bye!